The GoPro Hero 14 has officially landed, and if you're a fan of action cameras or just enjoy documenting everyday moments, this might be the gadget you've been waiting for. With powerful upgrades packed into its familiar compact design, the Hero 14 is built for anyone looking to capture high-quality footage without fuss. Whether you're filming your weekend adventures or creating content for your socials, having a dependable camera matters. And this one delivers smoother video, sharper photos, and longer battery life, all in a rugged body. And the best part? You don't need to be a camera expert to use it. In this video, we're diving into everything that makes the GoPro Hero 14 stand out, from new features and video quality to real-world performance. Stick around to see if this action cam is the right choice for your creative needs. And hey, if you enjoy straightforward and honest tech reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe to Technify. At first glance, the GoPro Hero 14 keeps the classic compact shape, but under the hood, it's received some serious upgrades. A brand new image sensor now boosts video quality, especially in low-light situations. Whether you're shooting indoors or after sunset, your footage stays clear and vibrant. One of the most exciting updates. The Hero 14 can now record in 8K at 30 frames per second. This means ultra-detailed, smooth footage that looks stunning on large screens. For those who prefer slow-motion action, you've still got the option to shoot in 4K at 120 or even 240 frames per second. Perfect for capturing every detail in fast-paced scenes. Stabilization has taken a leap forward with HyperSmooth 6.0. Whether you're mountain biking, jogging, or skydiving, the Hero 14 keeps your footage rock steady. It lets you focus on your activity instead of worrying about camera shake. Battery life has also been extended thanks to the improved Enduro battery. It performs better in both hot and cold environments, so you can film longer no matter where you are. This is ideal for travelers, outdoor adventurers, or anyone shooting on the go. The rear touchscreen is now more responsive and easier to view in bright daylight, making it simpler to tweak settings or watch your clips on the spot. The menu has been refined too, offering a more intuitive and fluid user experience. Build-wise, the Hero 14 remains waterproof down to 33 feet without needing any additional housing. It's still as tough as ever, built to withstand drops, splashes, and rough terrain. A new scratch-resistant lens cover adds extra protection, which is a nice touch for rough conditions. Audio quality has also seen a bump. The internal microphone now captures more natural sound and filters out wind noise effectively. Whether you're vlogging or narrating an adventure, your voice comes through clearer. No need for an external mic in most cases. Voice control continues to be a convenient feature. Just speak commands to start or stop recording, snap a photo, or switch modes. Especially handy when your hands are busy or the camera is mounted. Transferring files is quicker now, too. The updated GoPro app works seamlessly with both Android and iOS, letting you review, edit, and post videos straight from your phone. This makes it super easy to share your moments right after capturing them. There are also some new shooting modes worth mentioning. Horizon Lock keeps your footage level, even if the camera rotates, and Auto Boost adjusts stabilization based on motion, helping you get clean shots without any extra effort. And yes, the Hero 14 can still double as a webcam or be used for live streaming, giving it a role beyond action sports. Whether for work meetings or live content, it's flexible and versatile. In real-world use, the Hero 14 feels faster and more dependable. It powers on quickly, handles heat better, and avoids the slowdowns seen in some past models. And if you've already got mounts and accessories from older GoPros, good news. Most of them are still compatible. All these enhancements come together to make the GoPro Hero 14 one of the most capable compact cameras available today. It's ideal for people who want professional quality visuals with simple controls and a rugged design. So, that's a wrap on the GoPro Hero 14. It takes the best features from previous models and upgrades them across the board. Sharper video, better stabilization, improved battery life, and smarter usability. Whether you're exploring the outdoors, filming extreme sports, or just documenting everyday adventures, this camera won't let you down. The new 8K recording, rock-solid stabilization, and clearer audio give your content a polished, professional look, even if you're not a pro editor. Plus, with its durable and waterproof build, you can take it anywhere with confidence. If you've been thinking about getting into action cameras or upgrading your current setup, the Hero 14 is an excellent choice. It's easy to use but packed with features, making it suitable for everyone, from beginners to serious creators. Thanks for tuning in. If this review helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Technify for more easy-to-follow tech reviews and gear comparisons. Catch you in the next one with more exciting gadgets and gear you might want to check out.